जहाँ की रीत सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाती हूँ। भारत की रहने वाली हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाती हूँ। हो Hi everyone, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Proudest moment for me when I go to perform in different countries, especially when I recently had gone to US. I make sure that I sing one patriotic song. So it's "Ae Mere Watan Ki Logo," which I sing in every concert, and it makes all the people over there stand. So it's such a proud moment for me, and I would like to appreciate the Indians who are living there out of the country. They are so connected to the culture. They are so connected to the roots. So they make actually all of us proud. And especially when I go there, I represent Bollywood. I sing my own songs. I meet foreigners and they appreciate Bollywood, they appreciate my work. I feel so proud. And whenever someone asks me कि आपको ये city अच्छी लगी या India, wherever I go, it's obviously India. Especially when I went to Times Square, I was singing ये मेरा India, I love my India जोर से. So I'm true Indian at heart, and I'm so proud to be Indian.
The moment of absolute incredible pride was the day I won my international pageant award in Manila in Philippines. I was all of 18 and a half, and it felt great because I was representing my country. My name was not announced, but Miss India was announced, and that I think is an unreplaceable feeling. You know, it's totally unmatched to know that you're somewhere else in the world representing your country. It's great.
Hi, this is Pooja Hegde, and here's wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. One is because I've been Miss India. To just wear India on you has been a pride, on me has been a pride. And I think another proud moment was when the World Cup happened in India. And I remember it was the India versus Sri Lanka finals at Wankhede, and everybody got up. Most of the crowd was Indian, and we sang Vande Mataram, and it gave me goosebumps. So I really felt proud then.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. Hi guys, this is Tulsi Kumar, and since Independence Day is just round the corner, I'd like to share with you guys. Recently on my trip to London, I was just walking by the Oxford Street, and this girl stopped me, and she wanted to click a picture with me. She recognized me, and this was on a very busy street, so I was extremely touched that the kind of work that we do and represent our country, and people even outside recognize us, our talents, so it gave me immense pleasure. I was deeply touched and extremely happy that my work is being loved and appreciated by people even abroad. So I think that was a very proud moment for me, and I was a proud Indian. I think every Independence Day we used to celebrate it with a lot of patriotism in our school, and there used to be the flag hoisting, and we used to sing the national anthem all together. I think school days are the best, and we used to also have this march from our school to a stadium near our school. And yeah, these are some of the fondest memories that I hold.
Hi friends, I'm Swara Bhaskar, and 15th August is around the corner, so a very happy Independence Day to all of you. We're a great country, we have a lot to be very proud of, especially the legacy of our freedom struggle, but also the legacy of our constitution. So I hope that we can all endeavour to be really responsible citizens who are committed to our constitution and not to any ideology of hate and difference and violence. Happy Independence Day.